The question is, differentiate between the following. First, monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Second, phenotype and genotype. Third, pure and hybrid. Fourth, recessive and dominant. Fifth, autosomes and sex chromosomes. The answer for this question is, here we have the difference between monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. So monohybrid cross involves studying the inheritance of a single trait. Here, parents differ in only one characteristic. So the word mono is related to one. Next is dihybrid cross. The word di is related to two. Hence, it involves studying the inheritance of two traits simultaneously. Here, parents differ in two characteristics. Next is difference between phenotype and genotype. Phenotype, the observable physical and biochemical characteristics of an organism determined by interaction of genotype and environment, is called as phenotype. Next is genotype, the genetic makeup of an organism consisting of specific alleles present at each gene locus. For example, tallness or dwarfness is the phenotype, whereas capital T small t, or small t are the genotype. Next, we have the difference between pure and hybrid. Pure, also known as homozygous, an organism with two identical alleles for a particular gene is called as homozygous. For example, T for tallness. Next is hybrid or heterozygous, an organism with two different alleles for a particular gene is called as heterozygous. For example, T and small t. Here also the plant is going to be tall, but the condition is heterozygous. That is, two different alleles are present. Next is difference between recessive and dominant. An allele whose phenotypic effect is masked by dominant allele when present together is called as recessive. For example, T small t. Here T is allele for dominance and small t is allele for recessiveness. This is because when both the alleles are present together, the effect of small t is masked by the effect of capital T. Hence this is going to be recessive allele. Next is dominant, an allele that masks the phenotypic effect of recessive allele when present together. In this case, it is capital T. Capital T is going to mask the effect of small t, and hence capital T is dominant. Next is difference between autosomes and sex chromosomes. Autosomes, also known as non-sex chromosomes, are present in pairs in both males and females. They determine most of the body's characteristics. Let's understand sex chromosomes. Chromosomes that determine the sex of an individual are called as sex chromosomes. In humans, females have two X chromosomes, that is XX, and males have one X and one Y chromosome, that is XY. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.